even get to cross.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nikko Shane Venus, and I am from 11th STEM A in Bacolod City National High School. And I am here to discuss to you about finding the derivatives using the long method. First, let me define you about what is long method. Long method is one of the process or method that is used in finding the derivatives. And the meaning of derivatives is it's the way to show the rate of change of a function in a given point. Here is the formula of finding the derivatives using long method. And the formula is f prime x is equals to limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as h approaches to 0. And now, let's find the derivatives of f of x is equals to x squared plus x plus 5 using the long method process. First, we need to find the value of our f of x plus h. In order to obtain that, we need to add h through all the x's here in our function. And as you can see, I came up with the answer of a quantity of x plus h squared plus x plus h plus 5. And in the second, you might ask why I came up with x plus h times x plus h. This is just only the square of the binomial of x plus h squared. I came up with this because in order for me to easily use the FOIL method, and after I used the FOIL method, at last I came up to the answer of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h plus 5. And now this is the value of our f of x plus h. And now we can find the derivatives of our function. Here, I just simply substitute the value of our f of x plus h, which is quantity of x squared plus 2hx plus h squared plus the quantity of x plus h plus 5, and subtract it with our f of x, which is x squared plus x plus 5, and divide it all to h here. You might ask why I cancel these similar terms. Because they are separated by subtract sign. You need to cancel all the similar terms. After this process, I just simply copy the remaining terms. Those remaining terms are 2hx plus h squared plus h, and I divided it all to the h, and I came up with the answer of 2x plus h plus 1. But this is not the final answer because there is an h here. In order to eliminate h, we should let h equals to 0, and we just simply substitute h to 0, just like this. I substitute the value of the h to the value of 0, and I came up with 2x plus 0 plus 1. And here the final answer is f of prime x is equal to 2x plus 1. That's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I hope that you learn to find the derivatives using the long methods.